The benefits of metal detectors are many and varied. They can be used for a variety of purposes, from finding lost items to detecting metal in the soil. Metal detectors are a valuable tool for anyone who wants to find treasures buried in the ground or on land. Metal detectors can also be used by hunters, treasure hunters, and archaeologists to find metal objects that may have been lost or hidden over time. Metal detectors are also useful for people who want to protect themselves from hidden hazards in their homes or buildings. Metal detectors can detect lead paint, radon gas, and other harmful substances lurking in your home without you knowing about it. So today's video we're breaking down 5 best metal detector you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Pile. The new Pile metal detector is designed with lightweight, ergonomic construction to make it easy to use and a high-sensitivity microphone that helps you pinpoint the location of your targets. So get hunting for your hidden treasures. This handheld metal detector is a must-have for all your treasure hunting trips. The built-in speaker allows for easy communication between you and the person detecting your finds. The 5 detection modes are capable of finding gold, silver, iron, coins, and jewelry, making it ideal for beginners and experts alike. It's also water-resistant, so you can confidently use it in any environment. It comes with a limited warranty and a 3-year warranty for the speaker. Great for all treasure hunters and is dual voltage compatible. The detector comes equipped with a comfortable arm support and adjustable aluminum stem for ease of use. 3 varying detection signals makes it easy to unearth what lies buried. The metal pinpointer detector features a built-in speaker for audio sound and vibration alerts. Never miss a lead while on a treasure hunt again. Number 4. Bounty Hunter. Welcome to the world of metal detecting. The Bounty Hunter Tracker IV metal detector is all about realism. For one thing, it comes with a waterproof 8-inch coil that has 5,000 volts of power for a powerful detection experience. And for another, it has an all-metal mode that allows you to detect even tough targets like gold, silver or brass in 2 different tones, and an audio mode to help you pinpoint those tiny pieces of treasure. It has a built-in LCD screen that displays the type of metal you are detecting, your detection mode and battery life. There is also an adjustable volume control to ensure both noise levels and sensitivity can be adjusted for your personal preferences. And, if you ever need more information about what's going on in your hunt, it comes with the Bounty. Its sleek and modern design both looks good and is also tough enough to handle your toughest searches. With easy-to-use controls and innovative, user-friendly technology, you'll be able to challenge your eyes and ears to find the treasure buried under the ground. Number 3. Fisher Labs. You'll find what you're looking for finally. Underwater with Fisher's waterproof metal detector that uses a 9-inch coil with a sensitivity of up to 50,000 to detect metal objects as deep as 10 meters. This easy-to-use metal detector is designed for both novices and experts. If you're looking for a new metal detector that makes your life easier, Fisher is the way you want to go. Phenomenal metal detector with multiple uses. Simply power up and you can immediately detect the presence of iron, gold, aluminum, and more. The weatherproof coil and 9-inch detection distance make it perfect for surviving outdoors. Fisher provides high-quality, good-looking and easy-to-use metal detector with deep-seeking coil for indoor and outdoor use. A metal detector made for adults, but easy enough for a child to operate. Easy-to-use features like discrimination, sensitivity, notch, and pinpoint make finding treasures buried deep underground a breeze. This well-balanced weatherproof metal detector weighs approximately 2 pounds and has a padded hand grip and arm cup for comfortable treasure hunting. Number 2. Garrett. Feeling like you're not finding your treasure deep enough? You can now get Garrett metal detectors with all the latest cutting-edge features. They're powerful, waterproof, and have a headphone jack and accessory ports. The Garrett is even lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around and not break your arm or back. Take a look and find out for yourself. The Garrett metal detector is the compact, portable, and affordable metal detector that you've been waiting for. Although sometimes a little loud, it's super easy to use and provides excellent performance in the field. With a waterproof coil and headphone jack to keep your hands free and make it easier to locate those items that are just out of view, the Garrett metal detector is perfect for any detecting task. Plus, it comes with a carry bag and all the accessories you'll need to find what you're looking for. Number 1. Fisher Labs Pro. The next generation of metal detecting technology. The Fisher Labs Pro metal detector is back, but with a whole new twist. It's been re-engineered to be more user-friendly, easy to use, and yet still powerful enough to work with any amount of dirt or trash. Get the results you need at distances up to 8x further with this ultra-light detector. It offers a easy-to-use interface and is powerful enough to find gold, silver, coins and relics on land or in the water. Enjoy a faster, easier, and more enjoyable metal detecting experience with the Fisher Labs Pro Goldbug Pro metal detector. This metal detector is built with a state-of-the-art computerized ground balancing system, ultra-simple user interface, depth indicator, and ultra-lightweight. Get the most out of your time with our award-winning metal detector. With a user-friendly interface, you can quickly pinpoint and then dig the treasure you've always wanted. With unparalleled depth detection, this metal detector has never been easier to use in your backyard or on your next treasure hunt.